Diversity super. Diversity two. Preparing to remove this the alternator. I'm just gonna unplug my negative on my battery. Get it out the way. Cover it back up. Gonna work our way over here and start getting the airflow intake out the way. And I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Okay, we're going to get some of this stuff out of the way. Mainly this here. Let's slide that off. And that's pretty much all I need to do. I'm going to unplug this hose. And the alternator is right there. So I don't have to unplug this intake box, air box. And I got my battery unplugged, so I just need to get these bolts out. And take it from there. Okay, diversity tool. I'm going to move my air housing here. Air intake housing. My alternator is right here. It has this bracket going across, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding that, and they're 10 millimeter. And this bolt back here with a 13 that fits that. Got a deep well 13. We're going to get those off, and I also had to lift up this piece here down on that bolt. So I had to lift up to get to that 10. Both there, and we have a wire harness over here in the corner. Figure out how that comes out. Don't see anything to push. Gotta work with that. And the bolts that are down here look like 10s. See, one on each end, 2 right behind the belt. So I'm going to have to take my pull on my belt tensioner to loosen the belt off the alternator. Let's roll. I got my ratchet down here. On this tensioner, there's a place. Whoa, come back here. There's a place right there to stick your ratchet. 3/4 ratchet. I'm gonna push down and just slide the belt off the alternator and put it right back. That's it, set right there. I have an adapter here to go inside my socket, so I fit my ratchet. Slide that inside, like that, and go right on my ratchet. Okay, I'm gonna get my 13 bolt off this cable. Hope I'm going the right way. Alright. Get him off. Put that away. Lift up on the cable. That's out the way. I'll just switch to my number 10 socket, 10 millimeter. And we're going to get these bolts off. Okay, this one. Oh, he just went down on the ground. And my other one. We're going to catch him. This one looks like that. Put that away. Some other bolts right here. Gonna catch him. Okay, you're gonna press down on the tab back here, push up, and it comes off. We have one more 10 millimeter bolt on that side, but just loosen it up to ratchet or whatever you have, and you can slide this bracket forward, and I got two 10 millimeter bolts at the bottom, one on the left and the right. Get those out. You can see it's all loose there. There's some room here. By the way, I have me a Day Plus ratchet off of eBay. Battery operated. Okay, let's finish. Put this bolt out here. Got one on each side at the bottom. The other one down there. He's out. Grab him before he falls. Okay. And I got everything unbolted. Got the bracket out the way. Just swing it up. You can leave that last 10 millimeter bolt to the right on there. Just swing the bracket out the way. Everything should be unplugged. And just lift it out. Just like that. Okay, I want to make sure everything matches up with the new one, and everything looks good at this point, so we're just going to reinstall. The plugs are just situated a little differently. This one's on top, this one's like sitting back some, but we're still good to go. Okay. Anniversary 2, we're installing, replacing our alternator on this 2010 Ford Expedition. And this is what it looks like when the alternator is removed. Just simply reverse the process and you're good to go. Okay, take and set the new one back in place here. And bolt it down. Okay, you might want to put these bottom bolts in there, back in there first, because the alternator is going to sit right on top of them. Make it a little easier. Just turn them a little so they won't fall out. because it just sits right on top of there, like that, and bolt it down. I'm gonna make sure you clean off that contact wire brush. Good to go. I had to stretch my connector a little bit because the plug is placed a little further away, but everything's fine.